Uh, Morning, everyone. It's I don't know, probably close to 8 a.m. It's like under 50 degrees right now, so that's pretty awesome. Been waiting for a long time for this to happen. Um, we're gonna go into one of the regular spots and see what's going on here. All right, let's go see. Go find some birds. So, in the early mornings here, they're probably gonna be in the bushes. Maybe, like almost 9 times out of 10, I find them in these bushes in the morning. Those little birds were some little birds. Oh, yep, quail. Whole covey of them. Okay, found them. Here goes one. I think I know where she landed. That might have been the one I kicked up before. She had head over this direction. What the? I hear more. Shit, I can't believe I missed that one. What a mess. Guess more. Heard another one chirping. Oh, that one. Shit, he's still jerking around. They kind of crossed my eyes when I took off. Took me a second to figure out what I was going to do. Here, nice male there. I think I found him. All right, so it's not bad. Saw a covey, shot a bird. I'm gonna call it, give it a little bit of a break right now. Should have ate breakfast before I came out. So I'm gonna head in, maybe go out this afternoon. Hey guys, it's about 3:30. I'm gonna go back into this other spot that I found quail a couple days ago. Rocking my Candy Clay sports hat that I won. Well, it was part of my prize for taking second place in the Spring Clays League. So yeah, let's go out there and find some birds. So you've got this wash here, but over this ridge, a little ways back, is another wash, and it's all boulders and trees, and it's impossible to traverse. So what ends up happening is I usually find them down along the edge here, and they'll escape up and head for that other wash, and can't really follow them in there. So trying to get them before they get there. At least that's the way things went last year. And this is growing up so much with all the rain we got. I've really have sharp eyes and through these little areas, but for any movement at all. Yeah, this is so different with everything kind of growing up. I don't know. I have to believe this. If they are back here, that they're not being pressured with the way things are closed, because this actually takes effort to get back here. If I'm remembering correctly, there should be a little road somewhere here. That goes up and that way. There, Quail. Got him. Okay. Alright. Okay. Cool. Watch them. Yep, going up. Alright. So we like to have them flush. They usually sit more tight after they flush. Don't have to rush it. Just kind of find my way to where they landed. Got him. Shit, he got up. He fucking got up. Shit. He fucking got right up and ran away. Fuck.
You gotta be kidding me. Well, yeah, he can't be hurt that bad because I was absolutely took no time to get up and run away. That is crazy. I've never seen one get up like that. Wow. Quail. Can hear him. Yep, there you are. Sort of towards the car. I'd be able to try one kick up, and that's about it before. Oh, there was more. Yeah, just a little bit too late here. Okay, so that's interesting. That side has all the bushes and stuff that they like. Okay, so I didn't shoot anything, but, well, I did, but it got up and ran away like it didn't matter. Just shook it off like nobody's business. Anyway, got a lot of exercise. I bet I walked like 5 miles at least. Anyway, talk to you guys later.